Title: The Great Caper, a hilarious tale of clumsiness. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a hilarious story to share with you all. Get ready for The Great Caper, a hilarious tale of clumsiness. So, picture this. I was walking down the street, minding my own business when... Wait, before I continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you want more funny stories like this one. Alright, back to the story. I was walking down the street, feeling pretty confident, like nothing could go wrong. But oh boy, was I wrong. I suddenly stumbled on the sidewalk, arms flailing, trying to maintain my balance. It was like slow-motion clumsiness in action. Of course, this glorious moment of grace was witnessed by a group of people nearby. They couldn't help but burst into laughter, and honestly, I couldn't blame them. I mean, who wouldn't find a clumsy person like me entertaining? I managed to recover, trying to play it off like it was intentional, but deep down, I knew the truth. I am a certified member of the Clumsy Club, and I wear that badge with pride. So, the lesson here is, embrace your inner clumsiness, my friends. Life's too short to be too serious. Let's celebrate our stumbles, our trips, and our fumbles because they make life a whole lot more entertaining. Share your funniest clumsy stories in the comments below, and remember to use the hashtag #ClumsyChronicles to join the hilarity.